you guys, it's your girl Kim. If you see me in this get up, it's because I'm pumping out all these videos as much as I can, trying to get them to you. I just want to say that I hope that you all had a wonderful 2024. I hope you all passed your NCLEXs. If you have not, we're going to get them. We're going to knock them out in 2025. I just want you all to understand I've been so busy working, and I did go to school. We'll talk more about that later on. But I want to come here for you all and let you know that I'm still here trying to encourage you all. I've been behind the scenes working on all kind of activities and NCLEX questions and NCLEX, making my own NCLEX review books and things like that for you all. So I have been doing a lot of things behind the scenes. If you want to know how I did that, if you're interested in stuff like that or whatever, then I will let you guys know. But you can check out the link in the description on my books and everything. I have been working on planners. I have got planners. New planners will be coming for 2025 to help you all just get a grip on organizing yourselves for 2025 and trying to keep you motivated to pass this NCLEX. This NCLEX is ugly. It don't play with us at all, but it's a strategy to it. The strategy is believe in yourself and trust God. Okay? The strategy is believe in yourself and trust God. That's the strategy. The next strategy of those, you have to study. You have to study. You have to stay focused. You have to read each question carefully when you're studying. Pay attention to the rule of thumb where you eliminate what don't even sound right, and you pick the two that do sound right, and then you break them down. Okay? You have to break those two questions down, those last two questions down, and then the process of elimination with those two. And go back and reread the question. Sometimes, when you study and you read across a question, have you ever found yourself knowing the answer before you ever read the answer? That means you've been doing some studying. And another thing is to don't study so hard, so long is what I'm trying to say. Don't study so long. 2 to 3 hours is enough in a day, because your brain needs to retain what you've read. So don't allow yourself to do that to yourself when it comes down to studying so hard like that. You have to allow your brain to to retain that knowledge and for you to understand it. And if it's something that you didn't read and understand it, take time out to try to read it again, or look it up if it's a word in a sentence that you didn't understand. If it's a medication in the question that you don't understand, read it, break it down, go find it, find the side effects and things like that, because sometimes some answers will give you, in your practice questions, it'll give you side effects to a medication, and you'll need to know the side effects to the medication that'll help you answer a question. It might not just be like Tylenol is for pain, but Tylenol, they could say Tylenol, the person had a fever of 103, you can get Tylenol for fever and pain. So you have to critically think about those things. It was funny because one time I was in school, and the teachers were nurses, but they always said you have to think like a nurse. And I'm like, how am I gonna think like a nurse when I ain't never been a nurse? I always found that so confusing to me. But I get it, And then there was things that I didn't understand that a nurse could say to a patient that I would think that probably be disrespectful, but it wasn't disrespectful. It was stern. And the way the conversation went, it was it was appropriate the way they said it, but it didn't feel like that to me. I guess with me being a CNA for so long, it's just I had to learn the lingo of a nurse, and it will start coming to you. Critically thinking, it will start coming to you. We all have critical thinking in our lives, but it's what you choose to ignore and what you want to do. Choose to ignore it or use it to your advantage. So I just want to let you guys know that I stopped by to check on you all. Hope everybody is doing great, had an amazing year. It's been a long journey for some, and for others it might have been smooth sailing. So I want you to also just let me know how your year been, what's your journey been looking like, and let me know what your struggles been. Not, you don't have to like write me a book and a comment, but like let me know what's keeping you back from passing your NCLEX. I really would love to know that. Like, what's keeping you back from passing your NCLEX or even taking your NCLEX? Is it family? Is it job? Is it just you just have anxiety? Y'all know I have a video on anxiety. Like, it happens to the best of us. It happens to all of us. You have test anxiety, and it just be that you're nervous about, I don't want to fail. You have to get it out your head that this is your life. This is your life, but your life is in God's hands. This is a test, and God testing you too. God tests your faith. We test it every day, and you're not worried about failing that. You be tested like, should I go out knowing you should have stayed in studying? So you testing your own faith on, okay, I'm gonna go out, I'm just gonna deal with it. You dealing with the consequences of you going out, and you should have stayed in studying, right? So it's all, that's a different kind of test, but it's the same difference too. So at the end of the day, I want you guys to understand that we all are tested every day. We're tested all the time. God uses us to help others. He uses us to get through it, and everybody, that could be the feel like the devil in your life going against you, is because the devil already know that you got a blessing. So whenever things seem like it's so hard, even extra hard, because the devil know that you're about to get a blessing, and he's trying to attack you like it ain't no tomorrow. So you got to go even extra hard. You got to go even extra hard when the devil is attacking you, because he going to use your friends, your family, your loved ones, them kids. He going to use everybody to keep you from being distracted, to keep you distracted. I can't do this. I can't have this. I can't go there. I ain't going to be able to do this. I'm going to throw the book down. I give up. This just not for me. Maybe it's for everybody else, but this ain't for me. I just can't have it. This ain't gonna work. I went to school all them years, and I got this loan, and I gotta pay it back, or my family paid for this schooling, and I can't do what I need to do with it or whatever. I can't pass this test, and I owe them me passing this test, and however it went financially, you will get this. I just want you guys to understand, and I get it. It was hard for me too. I understand it, but what I had to really realize is it's in God's timing. It ain't our time. It ain't in our timing. It's in God's timing. It's when He say. But you need to go to God. This is what I did. I said, I'm ready now, God. It's my time. It's my time. This is it. I would not go another year not passing my NCLEX. I would not go another year not taking my NCLEX. I would not go another year putting my NCLEX to the side. I would not go another year keep on talking to you about this NCLEX, God. You already know about this NCLEX, God. You already know my struggles behind this NCLEX, God. Help these people, God. You already know they battles, they struggles, God. I come to you today, God, and ask you to please put your blessings, put your hands on these people that are struggling, that have no hope no more, that have no belief, that lost faith, God. I'm asking you, God, in the name of Jesus, would you please help these people to know that they are your children, and anything that they ask for, you said just come to you and ask for help. And I'm letting you guys know today that God said, ask him for help. Ask him for help. He's sending you angels. He's talking to you. He's telling you, right now, I got you. Trust me. I got you all. Trust me. You got to trust him. You got to trust in yourself. Trust in yourself, you guys. I love you all. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. God bless you all. You got this. You got this. You got this. And I'm telling you, you got this. Believe it. Get them people out your head. Get yourself from around the wrong crowds. Get yourself away from people that ain't got nothing. Get yourself away from people that don't have anything going on at all. If they ain't got nothing, you too busy. When you so busy, you ain't got time to be knowing what nobody else got going on anyway. Because you just too busy. You don't got time for the foolery, the drama, the nothing. What's going on social media, none of that. Besides somebody like me that's trying to help you. You get what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, be on social media and look up people that's trying to do what you trying to do. Trying to have what you trying to have. Or got what you trying to have. Okay? Don't be around the other people just talking about celebrities and all that stuff. That ain't helping you. That ain't getting you nowhere. They gonna be there. Finish what you doing. You get your money up. It's a whole bunch of people out here that the world have no clue about, that's rich and famous, literally in their own world, in their own lives, that has nothing to do with TV, social media, nothing like that or whatever, and you don't even know nothing about them because they so low key, because they've been taking care of their business and behind their business. And that could be you. That could be you. And come back and give your journey. Come back and give your story. Come back and give your testimony like I did, because I promised God that I would give my testimony when I pass this test and tell everybody my journey, tell everybody my story. And I did. And I feel good about that, and I want to help at least one person. And I say that all the time. And God bless me with 1,000 subscribers, a little bit more now. But I appreciate you, God, and I love you with everything. I'm so grateful, so humble. And you have the year 2025, I'm going into the new year fasting. I'm going to the new year just still trusting God with my life and asking him what's my plan, what's my plan for my people, because I want to help him, help you all. I'm his angel, and you are too, because I want to be there for him, to help with you all, and he'll give me a plan for you all and for myself, my own personal journey. So with that being said, I don't want to make you all sad or anything like that. I just want you all to believe in yourselves. Believe that you got this. Believe that no man can stop you. And what's for you is for you. In Jesus' name. See you in the next video. Don't forget, check out that link down below. Get your free planners. Check out those NCLEX books and things like that. I worked really hard on them. So please get your books. Get ready for 2025. God bless you. Bye.